All right, party people in the place to be. It's your boy Drone Dreamer. We're back, and I have spotted an abandoned building that the Air 3S is going to fly through, and so we can see what's inside of it. Just real quick, and across there, as you can see, is our abandoned building, and that is where we'll be flying. Boy, I love this Pocket 3. And so, we will be flying the Air 3S into that abandoned building. So, enough talking. Let's get it. And the drone is up.
Updated.
And like I said, we are going to explore this nice high quality, well, low high quality, abandoned building right over there. So let's get a little more altitude over these power lines. Let's go up in here and see what's up in here, y'all. Look at this. All right, look at that. I knew it was going to be some graffiti. Let's check out this graffiti real quick. Oh, that's nice right there. That's real nice. Look at that good graffiti. Boy, I tell you what. And we're inside the building. We got 17 satellites. We got 24 satellites still. It's going up and down. We got good signal. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down and make a U-turn once we get to the bottom of the dang thing, the end of it. And then we'll check out the other side. Then we'll pop on out. But this is the thing about having a drone is you start being more creative. You start seeing your surroundings more as a creative space, and you start to really appreciate the things around you, even an abandoned building, because you see that as an opportunity, as content. And also you get better. The more reps you do, the better you get at flying the drone. Again, I have only been flying for a couple of months. But I know from anything, the only way you get better is reps. So yeah, this is some nice quality footage right here, y'all. This is really, really nice. Man, this graffiti, man, these artists, I know it's illegal, but these artists be on something. They be on it, man. They be on it. So okay, we to the end. We gonna fly on through here. And part of people in the place to be, if you're not paying attention, drones are gonna be a real part of the American way, of everybody's way, really. Because imagine somebody did something illegal and they hiding in here, and you didn't. The law enforcement put their little drone up in there. Come up, go after whoever it is. You hiding up in this thing, and now they find you, and all they gotta do is draw this around you, and now they got you spotlighted and hit that old active track, and you ain't going nowhere because the drone can fly fast and stay up with you. So, oh, it's coming, people. Oh, it's coming. Matter of fact, it's probably already here. We don't even know it though. Might have been what they've been testing out in the old Jersey, baby. Bam, we gonna come up out of this thing. We're gonna rise up, baby. Oh, look what we see right there. Look what we see right there. Look at that. Look at that. Speaking of, let's go and come on over here to this nice high quality tower. Let's get on up in there. And speaking of, let's do that old spotlight. Bam. We're gonna do POV. We're gonna go around that boy pretty fast, like. And right now, you see I can use my joystick to go up just a teensy bit. This is what we call spotlight with the DJI Air 3S, y'all. Look at it. Doing all the work for me. Doing all the work for you, boy. Then when I'm done with that, I just hit stop. Then we can go back and up. And do our own droning. Like I said, people, you go out in your neck of the woods and you just start to see stuff and shoot it. Doesn't have to be blue water, green water. Doesn't have to be a volcano. In my case, it can be an abandoned building. With a water tower, or whatever tower that is. And we can bring this bad boy back now. And that's enough of that spotlight. But that spotlight can really help you out, get you some good little shots in. Somebody had to climb up here to put that up there. Look at that. Nice high quality. And that, on this cloudy day, is going to be our last thing we do. And now, we're just going to return to home.
Return to home.
Good old return to home. We got another DJI Air 3S return to home, people. Let's see how successful we're going to be.
Landing.
And bam, another successful landing. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. To the next episode, people.